he's got a spare Newton. Cheeky boy. He's got a spare Newton. Might have to give him some cash for that one. Right, welcome back to another Coins to Collect video, and this is part 2 of sorting Ross's Change Checker album out. Something like that. Anyway, I don't have any time restraints today, but I think we should do another 30 minutes on the clock, and once that's 30 minutes is up, we stop the video. So let's start that. Okay, so that clock's running. Where were we? So I've got some extra coins there to put in the album possibly. 10p's. First page of 50p's was done. The second page of 50p's, most of the Olympics, that was reorganised and done. Yay, let's take these out. Let's pull all the coins out, all the cards out. Cue time lapse. Oh my god, that takes so much more energy than you'd think it does. Yeah, to try and get one page all emptied of cut these cards are the worst, the most trickiest thing. Let's put all the Beatrix Potter ones together. Taylor of Gloucester, Flopsy, Peter, Beatrix Potter, right, Triathlon, Snowman, tennis, taekwondo, table tennis, wrestling, Paddington one at the top, another Paddington, Ironside, volleyball, wheelchair and weightlifting. So what did I say? Table tennis is next, isn't it? What have I just done with that? Oh, there it is, right in the centre. So table tennis, top left, taekwondo, and then tennis, triathlon to finish that top row, beach, no, it's just volleyball. I always call it beach volleyball, but it's just a volleyball. Right, and then it's weightlifting, wheelchair and wrestling. Okay, then it's Ironside, Benjamin Britten, Commonwealth and Battle of Britain. Battle of Hastings, Peter Rabbit. Right, so I'm done that. There's some cards missing because they're actually on this page here. So let's get these ones out. Ah, dear. There you go. He actually found an Isaac Newton in his change. So lucky boy. Very nice. Very nice. Right, and then the rest on that page are all £2 coins, so we can put that to one side, can we? Yes, so that's £2 coins. I might have to leave £2 coins to the next video, maybe. Right, oh dear. So, what was he missing? Ironside, Benjamin Britten. Commonwealth and Battle of Britain, and then Battle of Hastings was after that. ...2016 Potters after that, and to finish that, Team GB and Newton. Isaac Newton. Did I have a team? Yes, I got a Team GB. I tell you what, sometimes it's wood for the trees type situation with all these little cards. You can't see which one's which or where it is hiding. Right, all the cards in. Now I just need to put all the coins in. So let's try and separate. Well, I'm just going to pick them up as I find them, put them in. That's quite a nice Newton actually as well. Very lucky. Right, all of those, the rest of those are Flopsy. No, that goes, right, it's on the next page. So all of that page is done. Fantastic. Let's have a little time check. Still got 13 minutes or 14 minutes still to go. So we can make a start on the next page of 50p's. I need a spare page, don't I? In my old change checker album, I've got some spare pages, I know I have. I'm going to take these territories out. This is Isle of Man territories. I've got a few in this page, so that is the best page for me to use up. Put them in this little cup for safekeeping. See, I'm trying to rush it. I'm trying to do as much as I can within half an hour. But the more I rush, the more tricky it is. Look at that. That is a very cool Isle of Man little golfer. How brilliant is that? Love that coin. Love it. So the next page of 50p's, starting with 2017 Potters. So 2017 Peter Rabbit. There he is. There he is. Peter Rabbit, Jeremy Fisher, Tom Kitten, and Bunny. The other Bunny, the Benjamin Bunny. Alright, and then People's Act. People's Act 2018 Peter Rabbit, Flopsy, and Taylor of Gloucester. Right, and that's where the change checker cards run out. The last row is Mrs. Tittlemouse, Paddington at the Palace, Paddington at the Station, and the Snowman. And that's all of the change checker cards that we've got. Obviously on this bottom row goes Sherlock, Gruffalo. Now I've seen the Sherlock. Let's put the Sherlock in before I forget what goes there. Sherlock, Stephen Hawkins, 2019 Rabbit, and then Paddington at the Tower, Paddington at the Palace, the 50 years of the 50p, and then the Gruffalo would go there. Right, anyway, so let's put the rest of these in. Taylor Gloucester, Benjamin Bunny, Jeremy Fisher, 2017 Peter Rabbit, Mrs. Tittlemouse. That's a nice one to have. Congrats on that one, Ross. That's a good one. That's a really nice one. Flopsy Bunny's pretty cool as well. Yeah, that's good. That's good going. Paddington at the Station. Paddington at the Palace. Oh, he's got two stations actually. Let's put Palace in. And he's got two stations. I think that one is actually better, unfortunately, so I have to pull this one out. Tell me what you think. Am I right or am I right? The one on the left, oops. The one on the left I've just pulled out of the album. Look, well, I mean, there's not much in it at all. The one on the left is a little bit more grubby on the bottom there, but I'll put the one in the right in. Cool. Oh yeah, Tom Kitten was the only one out. Oh, and the People's Act. Right. Okay. So that's the 50p's done, I think, for the moment. Let's have a little look in his extras bag, his spares, to see if there is anything else to go in the album. So straight away, find a Paddington at the Cathedral. That might be one that I gave him. So Paddington at the Cathedral, Paddington at St Paul's, bottom middle left, I guess. Goes down there. Another cathedral, so we'll put that there. Another cathedral. Libraries, he's already got libraries, hasn't he? Let's zoom you back out, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, he's got a libraries. No, don't need that. He's got a Commonwealth. Yep, don't need that. Paddington at the Tower. There we go. Bottom left. Come on, there we go. God, dear, the effort to get these coins in sometimes. What was next? Benjamin Bunny, we got that. Jeremy Fisher, got that. Another Paddington at the Palace, we got that. We've got a couple, oh, he's got a Britannia there. And Technologies, Taylor of Gloucester, he's got a Taylor of Gloucester. Mrs. Tiggy Winkle, he's got that, hasn't he? Yep. Battle of Britain, he's got. Oh, it's a dictionary, he's got a dictionary. Yeah. Taylor of Gloucester, got a Taylor of Gloucester. And he's got a spare Newton. Cheeky boy. He's got a spare Newton. Oh dear. Might have to give him some cash for that one. Oh dear, if I end up putting loads of Olympics in his album, then I'm going to keep that Newton for myself as payment. Oh yeah, it'd be great to have one of them. So that's 50p's done for the moment. Let's put this other one, other page in the album. I'll have to do some inserts myself just to tell him what goes in what spaces, I think. Right, have we got time? I've got 2 minutes to do some more. I mean, in 2 minutes I can pull apart a couple of these £2 coin pages, can't I? So let's do that. Let's finish up my time by getting these out. We had 2 minutes left. I've now got 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Time is up. We'll stop that there. We made a start, we made a dent in that, so there we go. That's all I can do for now, my time is up. So, we're definitely going into a 3-parter, and if I start adding coins and then maybe put some pound coins in there, it might end up even being a 4-part video. So, if you're new to the channel, maybe go and hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another episode. But until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.